Welcome to Georgia Highlands College Math 97 and Math 99 video tutorials. In this video segment, we'll be answering the question, how do you multiply or divide rational expressions with another expression that has no denominator? Notice I put that in quotation marks, no denominator, because it actually does have a denominator, you're just not seeing it. So the way to remedy that problem is to put the denominator there that's understood to be there. So you're going to write the no denominator expression as a fraction with 1 in the denominator, because remember, anything divided by 1 is simply itself. So you can rewrite that expression with 1 in the denominator so that it looks like a rational expression that you can then either multiply or divide. Let's take a look at an example of dividing with this type of rational expression. So we have the example x plus 3 divided by x minus 4 over x plus 7. And the first thing I'm going to point out is that this entire x minus 4 is a factor and the entire x plus 7 is a factor as well. But I'm trying to divide with x plus 3, and when it's written this way, it does not look like a rational expression, which could confuse you if you're not aware of what you can do. So all you have to do is write it as a rational expression by dividing that entire factor by 1. So I'll just rewrite this. Now I have x plus 3 divided by 1 divided by x minus 4 over x plus 7. And if we remember back to our steps for dividing rational expressions, we know that we never divide rational expressions. We multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. So I'm going to keep that first rational expression, x plus 3 over 1. Then I'm going to change to multiplication of the reciprocal of the divisor, which is x plus 7 over x minus 4. And now we're back to our rules of just multiplying fractions, which is you just multiply straight across. So we're going to multiply our numerators and multiply our denominators. And the last step is to simplify any common factors in the numerator and the denominator. We don't have any, so the only other thing that I would do is multiply this 1 by both the x and the negative 4 there. And we know that that doesn't change anything, so we're left with x plus 3 times x plus 7 divided by x minus 4. So there is our final answer for dividing by an expression that has, quote unquote, no denominator. So I hope that this has been helpful for you. It should be pretty apparent when you run into this situation that if you ever see a rational expression being divided by just an expression that doesn't appear to have a denominator, don't forget you can always put that 1 in the denominator, because dividing by 1 doesn't change anything. So you're not changing the problem, you're just making it a little easier on the eye so that you can recognize that you're just going to use your rules of either dividing or multiplying with fractions or rational expressions. So if you have any other questions about this process, make sure to contact your Highlands instructor. Thank you.